Can you fly through Jupiter? A journey to the core. Jupiter is a gas giant. It doesn't have a solid surface like Earth or Mars. So, could you just hop in a spaceship and fly straight through it like a giant cloud? Let's take the ultimate dive to find out. As you enter the outer atmosphere, the temperature is a freezing minus 150 degrees Celsius, minus 240 degrees Fahrenheit. You are flying through toxic white clouds of ammonia crystals. So far, it feels like a normal, albeit very cold, flight. But things quickly escalate. At 120 kilometers down, you hit the darkest, thickest storm clouds. You are now being battered by hurricane-force winds reaching over 600 kilometers per hour, alongside apocalyptic lightning storms. As you plunge deeper, it gets darker. But strangely, it gets hotter. The true killer emerges. Pressure. By 700 kilometers down, the pressure is 1,000 times greater than Earth at sea level. Your ship begins to groan. Then the physics break down. The temperature is now over 6,000 degrees Celsius, 10,800 degrees Fahrenheit. The pressure forces the hydrogen gas into a supercritical fluid. There is no splash. The gas just slowly thickens until you are no longer flying. You are swimming. Roughly 20,000 kilometers deep. The pressure reaches 2 million times that of Earth. Here, hydrogen is squeezed so hard its electrons are stripped away. It becomes liquid metallic hydrogen. You are sinking in a massive glowing ocean of liquid metal. Because this liquid metal conducts electricity, Jupiter's rapid rotation turns this ocean into the largest electric generator in the solar system. It creates a magnetic field so deadly it would fry any electronics instantly. We actually know this because we tried it. In 1995, NASA sent the Galileo probe dropping into Jupiter. It transmitted data for 58 minutes, reaching only 156 kilometers deep before the temperature and pressure completely destroyed it. If your remains kept sinking, you would eventually reach the core. Temperatures here soar to 24,000 degrees Celsius, 430 degrees Fahrenheit, hotter than the surface of the sun. But is the core solid rock or something else? Recent data from the Juno spacecraft suggests the core is fuzzy. The extreme pressure is actually dissolving the rocky core into the liquid metallic ocean. You wouldn't crash into a surface. You would just dissolve and become part of Jupiter forever. So to answer the question, can you fly through Jupiter? Absolutely not. It is a one-way trip. You would be torn apart by winds, crushed by pressure, melted by heat, and finally dissolved into an ocean of liquid metal. Jupiter is the king of the planets for a reason. It is beautiful, but completely unforgiving. If this suicidal dive into a gas giant blew your mind, hit that subscribe button. Visit my channel